VIVO Y75 5G. Entry level 5G phone from VIVO. 8GB RAM plus 4GB extended RAM again. Comes with a 50MP camera, 5000 mAh battery, 18 watt charging support, Type C charging port, speaker at the bottom, audio jack 3.5mm, glowing galaxy color, 75 5G, good refresh rate, side mount fingerprint, SIM tray at the top side.